Finally, let's check out encryption. There are two types of encryption: symmetric and asymmetric. Symmetric encryption uses a single shared key. This type is used when nobody else needs to know about the transaction. For asymmetric encryption, a pair of public and private keys are used. This is used for receiving encrypted messages from any source and for digital signatures with the authorship non-repudiation function, allowing us to check who was the signatory. Asymmetric encryption is also used for TLS and other options. Hopefully, symmetric encryption is already clear to you, but regarding asymmetric encryption, there are a couple of important points to bear in mind. First of all, the private key and the public key are a pair, and there is only one public key per private key. Besides, the public key is generated from the private key and not vice versa. This means that it's not possible to restore the private key from the public key. That's what makes asymmetric encryption secure. Public and private keys have different functions in the processes of encryption and digital signing. The name of the key tells us everything about its function. The public key can be kept in an unsecured storage and distributed to anybody, while the private key is kept in a secret, secure location. In the case of encryption, you use a public key to encrypt the data and only use a private key to decrypt it. In the case of digital signing, you sign the data with a private key and with a public key. People can verify that you have signed a particular data. We have prepared a couple of Python examples on encryption and signature verification for you. You can download and try these examples from the link given in the presentation. Our recommendations regarding encryption. First of all, never try to reinvent the wheel, especially when it comes to cryptography. And secondly, always encrypt the connection to your web application using SSL or TLS certificates. Let's sum up. What have we learned about cryptography? 1. Encoding, hashing, and encryption are completely different things with completely different uses. 2. Encoding and hashing should not be used if you want to protect data from being read. 3. Hashing is a one-way operation. And 4. Only digital signing with public and private keys has the authorship non-repudiation function. Implementing the knowledge from this module will help you to protect your transport and application level integrations. It can also help to prevent many types of leaks, to protect your customers from account theft, unauthorized access to their data, and fraud. It will also help to protect your company from financial losses and harm to its reputation. So that's it for our cryptography module. Next steps? Firstly, make sure to download the presentation and read the additional material from all the links. Secondly, if you're watching this video from the learning platform, then take the test to check your knowledge. And finally, why not take a 5-minute break and think about all the improvements you can now make to your products? Well done! Another module completed. Now you're ready to move on to the next one. See you there.